The Caldrea sprays are to die for. The smells are amazing. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how well this cleaner works and a trick to make it the most successful for your home. So let's get into it. To start off with, I cannot tell you how much I love the Pear Blossom Agave smell. It is both refreshing and floral. It is just really a gorgeous, gorgeous smell that makes your rooms inviting. I was actually introduced to this by my mom, who has used this for many years, and I get so many compliments when people come into my home and wonder what this beautiful smell is. Now, it cleans beautifully on its own. You could use it like a regular spray and just spray down and immediately wipe. But here is the trick. You want to spray, and then you want that to sit. Just let it sit. Not too long. You don't want it to dry and leave little spots, but give it at least 3 minutes. Just spray down your counters and walk away. Go clean something else for a while and then come back and then wipe it down. This room is already smelling amazing simply by spraying that down. And the most incredible thing is, if you do this trick, that smell won't go away in an hour. It will last at least a day. I can usually smell it for a few days. So if I spray down my counters twice a week, my bathrooms will always have this wonderful smell. I love that. Now, once it's soaked for a while, you can just wipe it right off and it cleans beautifully. It'll make your space just gorgeous. Now, I would say that because I want this beautiful smell to be the finishing touch on my bathroom, if I'm using any harsher cleaners, like a cleaner for the windows and the glass or for the toilet, I will do those first. I will do anything that is usually a harsher cleaner that doesn't smell as good first. And then I'll end my cleaning with the Pear Blossom Agave smell. So my bathroom will not only be perfectly clean, but smell inviting as well. Now, there are a lot of scents to try, so if this is not the scent for you, keep looking. I cannot recommend this brand enough. They are incredible, and I am almost out of this, so I will be getting more as it is my favorite.